Hi friends, let's we factorize this, right? So how to factorize means first we need to take the coefficient of x square. What if there is nothing, we will consider it as 1. The coefficient of x square, here nothing is there, so that I took 1. Right. Next constant term we need to consider. What is that? 6. Now both you need to multiply. 1 into 6, how much we are getting? 6. Right. So now see here, I am going to find the factors of this 6. 1 into 6. 2 into 3. So these are the factors of 6. Right. So now in these two, which pair I need to consider to factorize this? So what is the criteria we need to follow means here if you take any signs, if you multiply these two means you should get this value. At the same time, either you go for addition or subtraction, whatever you do, you should get this value after doing. So here you see, suppose this pair I considered. So 1 into 6 if I considered, both sides I am keeping minus. Then if both are having same signs, if I added, what I am getting? Minus 7. But the required one is minus 5. Right. So if I am taking one is plus, another is minus 6, then plus 1 minus 6 gives minus 5. But if I multiplied 1 into minus 6, I am getting a minus 6 as answer. But the required one is plus 6. So I could not take this pair. Right. So the next option we have is 2 and 3. Right. So I am taking both sides minus, then what I will get? So if I added both means I am getting what? No, minus 5. Right. If I multiplied minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 I am getting. Right. So it is satisfying both the conditions so that I can take this pair as for splitting. Right. So now see here, x square minus this 5x I can written as minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Right. So now see here, these two I am taking as a one pair and these two as one pair. Now this x square I can written as x into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 into 3 I can write. Prime factorization. In these two which is common? X is common. Now if I took x outside, x minus 2 is left. In these two which is common? Minus 3 is common. So if I brought outside, because why I am getting minus 3 outside means I should get x minus 2 here too. Then only I can take one common factor. So that here it becomes x minus 2. Now which is common? X minus 2 is common and another pair is x here minus 3. It gives x minus 3. So what are the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6 means? I can written as x minus 2 into x minus. Let's we find factors of this one. Previously we have seen the coefficient of x square as 1. Right. If other than 1, if you have, how we have to find? Let's we see. So 6x square plus 5x minus 6. I said first we need to consider the coefficient of x square which is nothing but 6. Right. I took 6. Now next I need to consider the constant term that is minus 6. So I took that is also. So now both we need to multiply. 6 into 6 how much more? Minus 36 you got it. Right. Let's we find the factors of these. So you just ignore about that sign. Let's we find the factors of 36. What are the factors we have? 1 into 36. Next 2 into 18. Next 3 into 12. Next 4 into 9. Next 6 into 6. So these are the factors of 36, remaining or repeating factors. So we should not consider those. Now see, I should get here 5x plus 5x. Which pair I considered? If I added, if I subtracted, at least there is a chance to get 5. These values are more high. So if I added or subtracted, I would not ever get a 5. This is also same. This is also same. Here you see 4 and 9. These are single digit numbers, so there is a chance of getting a 5 if you go for any of the operations. So let me take 4 and 9. So if I take both sides plus, I have to go for addition, then I will get 13. But I should get what? 5. So by doing what? These two I am getting 5, by subtracting I am getting. But the symbol is what? Plus. So if I want to, I have to subtract. When I can go for subtraction, when different signs are there, I can go for subtraction. After subtracting, which is the greatest number, for that which sign is there, we are going to assign to that, right? So now if I want to get plus 5, I should assign here minus and here plus. So here different signs are there. If you go for subtraction, we are getting 5, and also if you see here, and which 5 I am getting? Plus 5 I am getting. If I multiply, I should get minus 36. Minus into plus minus, 4 nines are 36. Both I got. Both are satisfied by this pair. So that I have to consider which pair? 4 and 9. Right. Now see here 6x square. So this I can written as minus 4x plus 9x minus 6. So let's be split into prime factors. 2 into 3 into x into x. Now this I can written as 2 into 2 into x plus 3 into 3 into x minus 2 into 3. So first these two pairs you take, which are common? 2 and x is common. I took 2x common, which is left? 2x comes outside, 3x, and here what is left? Only 2 is left, 3x minus 2. If I consider these two, I should get this as a common here also. So which is common first? 3 is common, where any other not there. And also here it is having minus. So here also I am having minus. So that I am taking only plus 3 as common. So here leftover is 3x and minus 2. In both of these, which is common? 3x minus 2. And here we have 2x plus 3. So these two are the factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6. I am going to give a problem to you people. You just find out and tell me what are the factors you are going to get. Just comment in the comment box. So that is x square minus 3x plus 2. For this you find the factors and just comment me in the comment box. So if you have any doubts also, you just comment me in the comment box. Next we find factorizations. Now see here, which terms are there? I have xy. At least any one of the term in these two which is having that we have to pair up. Here y is there, so that these two we can pair up. And if you see here, these two I can pair up and get any common? No. Right. So what I am doing means here and here I can take, in these two are having common as y. Whereas coming to this, these two are having common as x. So that which two I have to pair up? Xy and y square. Right. So xy plus y square, and next I am writing yz and zx. Why we are splitting like this? Because we can find common factors in these two, though I find here for these two I am not having the common factors, so that I split into this way. Now let's convert into split this one, y into y plus y into z plus z into x. Right. In this two which is common? Y is common. Then what is left over here? X, here y. Plus here what is left over? Z. Then what is left? Y plus x. If y plus x or x plus y both are same, so from this I can say the factors of these are x plus y into y plus z. I'm sorry. Now let's see another example. So now see here I have x square. Now I said here only x term is there. Related to x term is there. That term we can pair up, means we can take x as common. Right. So these two I am taking. Here x is there, here x is there. So okay, these two I can pair up. Let's we see these two are having any common property. If not there any common factor, then we have to choose any of these two to pair up these. So now here yz is there and here I have zx. So these two are having common factor as z. So I can prefer these two pairs. So I should not change any arrangement here. Now let's split this one. X into x plus x into y plus y into z plus z into x. Right. So now see here in these two which is common? X is common. Then I can written as x plus 1. In these two which is common? Z is common. I can written as y plus x. So here which is common? X plus y, and here x and here z. So this is the way you can find a factorization. These two are the factors of this polynomial. If these type of expressions they have given, how to find the factors, let's see. So here you see here, this I can written as x square. This if I find prime factors, I am getting 3 into 3. So I can written this as x square minus 3 square. which is looking like a square minus b square, right? What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, where a is x, b is 3. A plus b into a minus b. Right. So now let's we do this problem, then we better understand. So here let's we split 2 into x into x minus 5 into 5. Right. This I can written as 2 square x square minus 5 square. So now see here, which is 2x whole square, I can write this one as, and 5 square. Again it is looking like a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b. A means 2x, b means 5. A plus b into a minus b. My content is really useful to you people. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching the video.